Okay, today I'm going to teach you about the dodo bird. The dodo was a flightless bird that lived around Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. The dodo had no natural enemies on its island. The last dodo was killed in 1681, and the species is now extinct. Everyone knows that the famous extinct animal is coming back in 15 years. That's what scientists have belonged to. The dodo's DNA is inside the Nicobar pigeon, which is a species of pigeon. It was similar to the dodo because of features. The dodo was a prehistoric animal that also lived on Reunion. Reunion was the island near Mauritius. The dodo is a reminder of human exploitation